For this one, you need some vocabulary. So the vocabulary that we need to make sure we know is a reflection, means it folds. We need to know that a translation means it slides. And we know a dilation means it gets bigger or smaller. In this case, the scale factor of 1/2, anything with a scale factor below 1 will get smaller. So let's start looking. So A says it's a translation of 8 units to the left and then a dilation. So if this just slides to the left, the A and the A prime should be in the same spot. They are not. So it will not be choice A. The next one, it says it's a reflection over the y-axis and then a dilation. So that is promising. So we're looking at folding in and then folding out. So your A and your B do flip, and then it will get smaller from there. So you've got your A primed and your B primed in the right spot. And then instead of your A prime being 2, 4, your A primed would be half of 2, 4. So because it's a dilation by a factor of 1/2, so it would be 1, 2, only in this case -1. So that's going to work for me because my A primed would slide over here. So I'm going to say choice B tentatively, but I'm going to check the others. So the others say a dilation and then a clockwise rotation. Well, the problem with a rotation is it turns it up on its end. So instead of being the horizontal, it's going to look vertical like this, and it will rotate. So both of the next two have a rotation involved, so that leaves my B as my best choice.